Welcome to the ColdBlock Technologies webinar series. In this episode, we discuss the benefits of ColdBlock digestion technology. ColdBlock digestion is a revolutionary sample digestion technology that uses focused shortwave infrared radiation, also known as FSWIR, and a cooling zone. It shortens the sample digestion process to just minutes with reliable and precise results consistently demonstrated across multiple industries and a variety of sample types. Sample preparation can be problematic. ColdBlock is a solution for many of these challenges. The benefits include unmatched speed, with samples being digested in just minutes. High accuracy and precision with analytical measurements. High productivity and the ease in which it can be automated. It's a safer technology in that we can reduce the need to use harmful reagents in the digestion process. And ColdBlock has been recently demonstrated by Amira Global to deliver a substantial return on your investment. Let's take a closer look at these benefits. Let's talk about speed and productivity. ColdBlock's unique heating mechanism through its focused shortwave infrared radiation energizes sample particles directly, and a cooling zone promotes a condensation effect to minimize the escape of vapors created by the heat of this rapid digestion process. This balance of heating and cooling substantially decreases sample digestion to just minutes without the use of dangerous reagents in the digestion process. In several applications, the traditional methods take longer than ColdBlock digestion methods. Large sample size gold can be digested in as little as 15 minutes without the use of lead, and refractory materials, such as chromite, can be digested in as little as 10 minutes without the use of hydrofluoric acid and perchloric acid. These examples well illustrate the speed of ColdBlock digestion technology and the reduction of using harmful reagents, which makes for a higher workplace safety. Laboratories strive to achieve high accuracy with repeatable results. Here we can see the analytical measurements for large-size gold samples. The accuracy is determined by how close a measurement comes to an existing or certified value. And the precision is determined by how close a measurement comes to another measurement. ColdBlock's accuracy and precision was well demonstrated when comparing different gold CRMs within a laboratory and for gold CRMs between laboratories. Here is a snapshot of the accuracy and precision for the recovery of elements demonstrated for large sample size gold, base metals, rare earth elements, and contaminated soils. You can see the consistency of the results across these different applications. The digestion rate of samples in these studies were approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Please visit our website for access to these publications and additional information. Let's examine ROI. Amira Global, together with 5 industry sponsors, demonstrated that ColdBlock delivers a high return on investment when applied to gold application and when compared to fire assay. The Amira project P1196 examines speed, accuracy, safety, ease of use, and ROI. The ROI was performed by the participants of the project and the companies are blinded for confidentiality. Costs were structured into two categories: capital costs and operational costs. Capital costs were based on the 24-channel workstation for Gold. The costs were extrapolated over a 5-year period. You can see here that the cost savings for Gold application ranged from $840,000 to $2.4 million. The average cost savings was $1.99 million, or a 50% reduction in overall costs across the 5 companies. This is based on processing an average volume of 170 samples per day. Any laboratory that processes more than 170 samples per day will achieve a higher ROI because most of the cost savings were achieved through labor cost reductions. The Emira P1196 ROI analysis demonstrated that when compared to fire assay, ColdBlock delivered a 36% cost reduction in consumables, 17% cost reduction in maintenance expenses, 79% cost reduction in power consumption, a 60% cost reduction in labor, and a 64% reduction in the cost of waste. In conclusion, the Emira P1196 results touched on energy, the environment, safety, and finance, which is key in achieving a sustainable solution. Thank you for taking the time to watch this ColdBlock webinar, and we look forward to seeing you again in the future.